Gusto mo mag-invest sa mga Philippines-based na mga companies pero hindi mo alam kung paano magsisimula. Now, in terms of the stock market terminology, nalilito ka rin ba kung anong stock ang dapat bilhin? Don't worry, hindi ka nag-iisa. And here's a good news. 2Trade Asia Plus has a feature called Thematic Baskets na makakatulong sa atin na mag-shortlist ng mga stocks based on your interest or industry focus. Actually, game changer ito, lalo na sa mga nagsisimula pa lang. Noong nagsa-start pa lang ako mag-invest, isa sa pinaka-challenging na tanong is, anong stock nga ba ang magandang bilhin? Siyempre, gusto natin yung maayos na return, pero hindi naman lahat tayo may oras para mag-research ng bawat company. Kaya sobrang na-appreciate ko yung thematic baskets feature. For example, mahilig ako sa mga stocks na nagbibigay ng regular dividends, kaya perfect sa akin yung dividend play at saka yung REIT basket. In just a few clicks, nakafocus na ako sa mga stocks na swak sa strategy ko. So what are thematic baskets, you might ask? Quick overview lang tayo ha. Thematic baskets are curated collections of stocks na nakabase sa isang theme or sector. There are around 11 baskets na pwede mong tingnan. Each of them have 2 to 5 stocks na carefully picked by 2Trade Asia research team. So instead of researching those stocks one by one, naka-shortlist na sila para sa'yo. This is perfect for the beginners. Hindi mo na kailangang malito o ma-overwhelm sa dami ng stocks sa stock market. Kung may specific interest ka, like for example, renewable energy, dividends, or value play, may basket na design para doon. Convenient na, diversified pa ang portfolio mo. Ako, mahilig talaga ako sa mga dividend-paying stocks kasi gusto ko ng steady passive income. Kaya nagustuhan ko yung dividend play basket. Nandyan na lahat ng stocks na nagbibigay ng consistent dividends. Kasama din sa top picks ko ang REIT basket, syempre, kasi aligned siya sa long-term passive income goals ko. Through real estate investment naman. Now, let's go over sa aking 2Trade Asia Plus na dashboard. And from the left-hand side, makikita natin ang thematic baskets over here. After I click this one, makikita naman natin yung 11 baskets na available dito sa thematic basket natin. We have the likes of telecom basket. We have renewable. We have REIT basket. Consumer basket. Pero right now, what I am interested in is the dividend plays basket. And as we can see here, makikita natin yung exposure ng dividend play natin. So we have the power sector, we have property, specifically REIT. We also have telecoms, and of course, mining and power. Sa right-hand side, ito, yung breakdown ng actual stock na nakapaloob sa dividend plays na basket. We have Meralco, we have Semirara, we also have SGP, PLDT, and MegaWorld REIT. Para makapag-invest directly from the dividends play, I'll just simply click that invest button. And then from here, let's say gusto ko mag-invest minimum of around 10,000 pesos. Enter ko lang yung amount dito and then I'll hit that submit button. From here, makikita natin yung quick summary nung ating ini-investan. Ayan. So, we have SGP, MREIT, and SCC. Ngayon, tatlo lang ito simply because it automatically calculates kung magkano lang yung pinasok nating investment, which is 10,000 pesos lang. So, kinalculate lang niya kung ilan yung kakasya. From there on, I'll just simply click that place order button. And order has been submitted. From the order book, makikita natin na executed na yung tatlong binili nating stock based on the dividend play na basket. So we have again MREIT 200 shares, SCC 100 shares, and SGP 300 shares. Hindi mo kailangan na maging expert para mag-invest ng maayos. With 2Trade Asia Plus thematic baskets, madaling mag-focus sa stocks na align sa goals mo. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Visit 2Trade Asia Plus website or their mobile app today and start building your portfolio with confidence.